Good morning, all of you. So, today we are going to start your next topic, that is ordinary people and the crime against humanity. So, basically, we generally, you must have seen that people in India they criticize various neighboring countries. So it is not that people of those countries are actually bad, but rather handful of them have done so much of atrocity that we start being or we have a prejudice for such people. Okay, we have developed a stereotype about the particular country. So same was at that time. It was not that all the Germans or all the desirables were one who were against the undesirables. It was not so. Rather, some people were there who never favored Hitler's ideas, Nazi ideology, but they could not do anything. So they felt themselves as physically weak, or they had no political powers. Okay, so let us start. How did the common people react to Nazism? Many saw the world through Nazi eyes and spoke their mind in Nazi language. They felt hatred and anger surged inside them when they saw someone who looked like Jew. They marked the houses of Jews and reported suspicious neighbors. So there were people who followed Nazi ideas. Of course, Nazism became popular. That means it had got support of the people. So, but there were, what they used to do? They used to mark the houses. If they suspected that a Nazi lived over there, they used to mark the houses. Now, how you must have seen that SS circles are made on the house during the ड्यूरिंग पल्स पोलियो ऑल्सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट इस घर में पोलियो का ड्रॉप मिल चुका है, उसमें ऐसे कोई मार्क्स बनाते हैं या अतिक्रमण के टाइम मार्क्स बनाते हैं. सो सिमिलरली एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो दे मार्क दोज हाउसेज एंड दे रिपोर्टेड सस्पिशियस नेबर्स. They genuinely believed Nazism would bring prosperity and improve general well-being. So this was their strong belief. The people out there, they believed that Nazism जो है वो लोगों को जर्मनी में प्रोस्पैरिटी देगी और जितनी भी चीज़ें जर्मनी में अच्छी हो सकती है वो नाजिज्म ही करेगा. दैट मीन्स हिटलर वॉज द वन हु वुड वर्क फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ जर्मनी. ओके, सो दिस वॉज अबाउट द पीपल हु सपोर्टेड नाजिज्म. Okay, so he had got supporters who strongly believed that Nazism is one such party that is going to bring prosperity. Now, but not every German was Nazi. Many organized active resistance to Nazism. Bravely police repression and death. The large majority of Germans, however, were passive outlookers and apathetic victims. They were too scared to act, to defer, to protest. They preferred to look away. Pastor Neumeller, a resistant fighter, observed an absence of protest and an uncanny silence. Every ordinary Germans, in the face of brutal and organized criminals committed against people in Nazi Empire. So there were many who strongly resisted Nazism. They were not one who were in favor of Nazism. At the local level, they organized themselves into various parties that did not support Hitler. But they were so less in number, they did not have much of the power. So only through writings they could display their emotion. वो लिखते थे केवल, वो लिख सकते थे. They could not fight against the well-trained army of Hitler. So see, what did he write? He wrote movingly about this silence. First they came for communist. Well, I am not a communist. So I said nothing. Then they came for social democrats. Well, I am not a social democrat. So I did nothing. Then they came for trade unionist. But I am not a trade unionist. Then they came for Jews. But I am not a Jew. So I did little. Then when they came for me, there were no one left who could stand up for me. So the poet writes that one after another there are various communities that is being targeted by Hitler. So today I'm not doing anything. Like when they came for communist people, I did not stand up with communists, with social democrats, with trade unionists, with Jews. So, I should be well prepared that when they come for me, when they target me, there will be nobody who will stand up for me. So, this is the grief of the society that he has written, that people knew that wrong is happening, but but they never raised their voice against this inhuman activity. Okay. What Jews felt in Nazi Germany is different story altogether. Charlotte Barrett secretly recorded people's dream in her diary and then published them in highly disconcerting book called Third Reich of Dreams. She described how Jews themselves began believing that Nazi stereotype about them. They dreamt of their hooked nose, black eyes, and hair, Jewish looks, and body movement. The stereotypical images published in Nazi press haunted the Jews. They troubled them even in their dreams. Jews died many deaths even before they reached the gas chamber. So, one of the Nazi, what was the feeling of the Jews that could only be felt by Jews? No Nazi who was supporter of Nazism, or Germans who were not in favor of Nazism, they could never feel the pain of Jews. Jews at times, a book is there where the writer, she secretly has written or has taken the abstract from various diaries that these Jews used to write about their condition, and in that she has clearly published that how they started hating their life. Before dying, before going to the gas chambers, they died many times. Okay, they experienced the death like situation many times. Okay, so just imagine, in society you are being segregated, nobody is talking to you, your pictures are being displayed on the signboard, on the billboards, as somebody who is being hated. Okay, so there was a time that even Jews started believing that we are different to Germans. Even they started feeling that Germans are desirables, are supreme, and we are inferior. So, this situation out in Germany was very, very critical. Okay. Now, let us read. This is your last topic, that is knowledge about the Holocaust. Information about Nazi practices had trickled out Germany during the last year of the regime. But it was only after the war ended and Germany was defeated that the world came to realize the horror of what had happened. So, before than that, people knew Hitler was a very great dictator. They knew that Hitler was doing atrocity. But it was only after Germany was defeated, then the world could know about the horrifying incidences that took place in Germany. While Germany was preoccupied with their own plight as a defeated nation emerging out of the rubble, the Jews wanted the world to remember the atrocities and sufferings they had endured during the Nazi killing operation, also called the Holocaust. So, Holocaust, the term that is used for Nazi killing operation is Holocaust, where people in majority were killed. The atrocity was done. So when after the Second World War, when Germany lost its power, when Germany was defeated, Germany was busy collecting its or busy feeding its war needs, okay, war losses. But at the same time, Jews wanted world to know that how cruel were the Germans, and so much of the pain and agony Jews have undergone. At its height, a ghetto's inhabitant had said to another that he wanted to outlive the war just for half an hour. Presumably, he meant that he wanted to be able to tell the world about what had happened in Nazi Germany. So, one of the ghettos, I have said you earlier also that ghettos were the segregated area where undesirables were made to live in Germany. So, one of the ghetto inhabitants said to another that, I want this war to be, just outlive this war for half an hour, and I want to just scream and tell the world that so much of pain and so much of agony I am in. I have seen so many deaths of my own people. and without any mistake. I was not guilty of any crime, but still the people, my people have suffered so much. The indomitable spirit to bear witness and to suppress the documents can preserve the documents can be seen in many ghettos and camps inhabitants who wrote diaries, kept notes, and created archives. On the other hand, when the war seemed lost, the Nazi leader distributed petrol to its functionaries to destroy all the incriminating evidence available in offices. So, the indomitable spirit, even in so much of pain, the Jews still wrote diaries. वो डायरी उन्होंने लिखी थी, उन्होंने बहुत सारे नोट्स लिखे थे. दे हैव क्रिएटेड आर्काइव्स, एक प्रॉपर अपनी सफरिंग का राइटिंग लिखा था, सो दैट इवन इफ वी डाई टुमारो, the generation that comes will definitely know about our pain. Okay, so Jews were busy preserving the things, and when Nazis, they felt that Germany is going to lose the war, then Nazi leader, what he did was he distributed petrol. He said that jitni bhi documents available hai offices mein, just burn them, because he knew that all what he had done was crime against humanity. उन्होंने जितनी ये सब crime की थी, he knew it very well that this was basically crime against humanity, and this won't be tolerated when entire world will go against Germany, against the desirables. Okay. Yet the history and the memories of the Holocaust lived on in memoirs, fiction, documentaries, poetry, memorials, and museums in many parts of the world today. They are tribute to those who resisted it, and embracing embarrassing reminder to those who collaborated. A warning to those who watched in silence. So, the memories of Holocaust, the mementos of Holocaust, some of the photos that we have seen are a part of those Holocaust, where heaps of clothes are there, shoes that we have seen. So these are all the memories of Holocaust. So it is said that those who resisted it's a tribute to them, okay, that they could bear those atrocity. It is a shame to people who were a part of this Holocaust, and it's a warning to those who watched in silence. It's a warning that today it has happened with them, tomorrow maybe it would take place with you. If you remember, on the very first page, it was the story of 11-year-old boy Helmut. So this was the reason why Helmut's father was scared that now Germany has lost the war, Nazi party had come down, and he knew that the atrocity that was done by Nazi party was not correct. So he knew very well that if Jews come to power, then they would meet the same end. This was the reason why he shot himself. Okay, so this was all about the chapter. There are 2 letters of Mahatma Gandhi that Gandhiji wrote to Hitler, where he urges Hitler to not do things that is against humanity, to not go for atrocity. He admired him as an administrator, but at the same time he wanted to change his dictatorial nature, that you can read on your own. And then you will do the question answer. There are some questions in activities, and some questions are there. I think 6 questions are there, which are very easy questions, so you can do that, and once we ask you to submit the copy, you can submit that. Thank you.